Good evening, students. Let us continue with the chapter progression, and we will take today trick 2. So my trick 2 is that sum of infinite series of the type 1 upon a1 b1 plus 1 upon a2 b2 plus 1 upon a3 b3 plus up to infinity is equal to 1 upon a1 b1 minus a1. This is my short trick. If we have the series like this up to infinity, my result will be a1 b1 माइनस a1. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि आगे की सीरीज को भूल जाओ, सिर्फ a1 b1 माइनस a1. दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द सम ऑफ इन्फाइनाइट सीरीज. अच्छा, व्हाट इज a1 b1 एंड a2 b2 ऑल दिस थिंग्स? सो वेयर a1 a2 a3 आर इन AP, b1 b2 b3 आर also are in AP, and AP mean what? That is, in last lecture I told you the difference between the two consecutive terms are a constant. So b1 minus a1 is equal to b2 minus a2 equal to b3 minus a3, and so on. So let us start with the question number 2, which is based on this trick. So sum of the infinity of the series 1 1 2, this is a1 b1, this is a2 b2, this is a3 b3 up to infinity. So let's solve this one. First I will give you the proper method, then I will tell you the short trick. So let me start with the proper method. Now this is the sum of the series given to you. So I will write here sum of n terms, because we have the n terms over here. So I will write here Sn is equal to 1 upon 1.2 1 upon 1 2 1 multiplied by 2, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 plus, wait a minute, 1 3 2 4 up to dash dash dash, which will be the n term. It is n, and next term is n plus 1. So 1 upon this is n, and next term is greater than this one. So this is my n series. Okay, now can I extend this 1 upon 2? So I can write it like this, 1 minus 1 upon 2. You just open it, you will get again the half. इसका मतलब 1 upon 6 है, तो इसको can I write 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3? If I'll write like this, you will get the same result. Again 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus dash dash dash, it will be 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus n. So this is the series of this one. Now how to solve this one? Let us open this bracket. Sn is equal to 1 minus half plus half minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and so on, 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. So what do you find? You can see that this all terms get cancelled. सभी टर्म्स हमारी कैंसिल हो जाएगी. सो आई विल रिमेन विथ ओनली द Sn इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन, दिस विल ऑल्सो गेट कैंसिल, n plus 1. So this will be n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1, 1 1 cancel, hence I am getting here n upon n plus 1. Now my limit is sum to infinity. So when I to solve by giving it limit, that is limit n कहाँ तक जा रहा है? इन्फिनिटी तक. So how to do this one? n plus 1. Now you know how to solve this infinity, that is dividing numerator and denominator by n. So it will be 1, it will be 1 upon 1, and this will be 1 upon n. So 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So my result will be the 1. So what I am answer getting? 1. Now short trick. Short trick क्या है? It's a very simple. Just we have to write 1 upon a1. See, 1 upon a1. a1 is what? 1. b1 minus a1. 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1. So this is the solution for your sum of the this series. When the series are given to you like this up to infinity, you will get this result. So this second, now let me give you the sum for practice. So your homework is, you just write the answer in a comment box. I will give you the question for it. Question is this. Question number 1 upon 1.4 plus 4.7 plus 7.10, 7 multiplied by 10 up to infinity terms. So you have to write here answer. Option is 1 upon 2, B option is 1, C option is 1 upon 3, and D option is none. So this is your homework. You solve it and write in a comment box. Okay, and what is the answer for this one? Answer for this one is option 1. So your B is a option. Okay, I hope you understand this trick. Okay, bye, take care, thanks.